just start your recording, please.
Yeah, I started.
Can I start? Can you hear me?
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
sir, we can hear you.
Okay, thank you everybody, and good afternoon. Thanks, a special thanks for Kunda ma'am for giving me the chance to say something here. Okay, this is I myself Ibnul Hasan Tushar, assistant student. That's all now.
Mr. Tushar, we can't hear you. वैशू येते का तुला पण आवाज?
नाही नाही.
It's breaking
Yes,
your
ma'am.
voice. So we are not.
Okay, can you hear me now, Kunda ma'am?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, yeah. Yes, yes, we can.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you everybody. I myself Ibnul Hasan Tushar, assistant teacher English, Ranachandi School and College, Kishorganj, Nilphamari, Rangpur, Bangladesh. It's under the Rangpur division of Bangladesh, and I also worked as a district ambassador teacher of Nilphamari district. Besides, I also work with the A2I and some other the projects, and I also received the International School Award of British Council. That's all. I also work with many of the like UNESCO, Zano, Zaika. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Very good and strong profile of you. I'm glad to meet you. Hello, Khatun ma'am. Khatun ma'am, will you please introduce yourself? Ma'am, please unmute yourself first.
Ma'am, আমি হোসনিয়ারা খাতুন, assistant head teacher, কারাপাড়া secondary girls school, Bangladesh.
Okay, glad to meet you, ma'am. I'm
ma'am, please একটা কথা বলি ma'am.
Sorry, Rupa.
Carry on.
Will you please help me? I can't understand Khatun ma'am's language. Tushar sir, in which language she is talking, Khatun ma'am?
ম্যাম আপনি বলেন, আমি বলে দিব।
আচ্ছা ম্যাম, আমি বলতে চাচ্ছি যে আমার সঙ্গে মানে আমার ছেলে আছে, আমি একটু বাইরে, তো মানে আমার বাবা অসুস্থ, ওই জন্য আমি বাইরে, আর ইংরেজিতে আমাকে সহযোগিতা করতে চাচ্ছে আমার ছেলে। আপনারা যদি আমার ছেলেকে অ্যালাউ করেন তাহলে সে হয়তো জুমে ঢুকতে পারে।
আমি ম্যামকে একটু বলে দেখি। কুন্ডা,
yeah,
Sarah ma'am said that he is not at home, out of home, he is in his mother's house. Her son want to stay with us, and he will understood what her mother want to say.
Okay. Okay, no problem, ma'am. Nice to meet you. I'm Kunda Jayavant Bacha from India. I'm introducing myself for Mr. Tushar and for Khatun Rupa. Okay, I'm Kunda Bacha from India. I am a government teacher in Nasik Municipal Corporation School from Maharashtra, and I have a 15 years experience in this field. And I'm very glad in this field with my students, and I'm very happy in my job. Thank you so much. Vaishali ma'am,
Yes,
please
yes.
introduce yourself.
I introduce myself. I am Vaishali Nimba Bhamre. I live in Nasik. My school is in Nasik. Nasik is a district in Maharashtra, and country is India. Nasik is famous for my service is in 20 years. My experience is 20 years in teaching, And in this, I am in Anandwali School, NMC School number 18, since 6 years. And my special subject is English. And also I like to teach Marathi, maths and English. And I am very happy in my job. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Vaishali ma'am. We are now we will start our session. We are doing telecollaboration project with in India and Bangladesh. We had done our first session, introduction session, and we are going to start our second session. The topics of our second session is our family introduction and overview of our project. From India, I and Miss Vaishali ma'am, we both are presenting our PPT. And from Bangladesh, Rupa is presenting her PPT. This is a very good project by in guidance of Mr. Yogesh Sonone sir. And this is making a friendship in between India and Bangladesh. I'm very glad to having a friend like Rupa, Mr. Tushar Khatun. Thank you so much for your collaboration and for your friendship. This will be a great achievement of our life in telecollaboration project. Thank you so much. Rupa, will you present your PPT or we have to present our PPT first?
Kunda, I think both of you are going to share your PPT. So if you start first, that time it will be very good.
Okay, no problem, dear, no problem. Thank you so much. Okay, I'm sharing my PPT. Okay. वैशू दिसते तुला स्क्रीन माझी?
नाही अजून शेअर नाही झालेली आहे. हो आता दिसते. येस.
ओके. Okay, friends. I want to say something also. Today, my students are also here with us. They also want to know about Bangladesh and want to hear your language. And Rupa said that she will teach me Bengali. So after this session, Rupa, you have to teach me 5 sentences today. And in per session, you have to teach me 5 sentences, 5. Then after this project, I will learn all Bangladeshi Bengali language. Okay. I'm sharing my PPT. वैशू दिसते ना PPT आपल्याला? वैशू?
Yes. हे दिसते.
Welcome to all of you, my friends, in our telecollaboration project with Bangladesh and India. It is an international experience and it is very good experience for us. This is a friendship making project, I think so. And we are learning so much things and sharing our ideas from each other. This is a very good opportunity for us and for me also. We are discussing our project about sustainable development goals, which is the need of the day in our for our students in future. This is very interesting and very necessary thing that they have to know about sustainable development goals, because with this knowledge and with this learning, they will develop their qualities and also they will do something new for their society and for our country. And we can't ignore sustainable development goals. So we are doing our project on this main topic, sustainable development goals, and Eco Training Center from Sweden is with us in this program because they are working so much things with sustainable development goals. 20. Okay. These are our members. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Yes. These are our members from our project. Myself, Kunda Bachchao, from India. My colleague, my friend, Mrs. Vaishali Bhamre from India, and my friend Rupa Maulik from Bangladesh. My friend Khatun from Bangladesh, and my friend Mr. Tushar from Bangladesh. We are very glad to having a friend and in project of our members. Our topic is our session is number 2, because we had done our first session introduction session, and this is our second session, and today's topic is my family, my life. So from India, we both are my colleague Vaishali and me, Kunda. We are introducing our family because from Bangladesh and India both have different culture, different all things are different. So we have to know each other by from our family. So this is a main topic because we always feeling happy with our family. So we want to introduce our family to you. This is I'm explaining first my family. This is my family, and these are my family members. My husband, Mr. Kiran Shinde, and my my daughter and my son, Kaka Shinde and Kala Shinde. She is in 10th standard, and my daughter is in 5th standard now. My husband, Mr. Kiran Shinde, is my son is in 5th standard. My husband, Kiran Shinde, is a businessman, and he did his education in engineering and doing a business now. These are my mother-in-law and my father-in-law, Mr. Nimba Shinde, and my mother-in-law, Mrs. Sushila Shinde. In second picture, you can see my father and mother. My father, Mr. Jayavant Bachchao, and my mother, Pramila Bachchao. These two families are living in a village, and that is a very pleasant place. We always want to go and stay with them because they always give lots of love, and so we always like to live with them in village. So in during some times we always go there and spend times with them. This is the picture of my motherhood. My mother, my father, and my brother, Mr. Deepak Shinde, my sister Madhuri Shinde. He is a engineer, and she is also teacher like me, and she is living in Nasik with me. And this is my second family, my school and my students, because from 24 hours I spend my more time with my students, and I always feel happy with them. So where you feeling happy, that is your family. Like today we are spending time with you, so this is also our family with Bangladesh. Such like this, these are my students, and I always feeling very happy with them. I always spending most time with them. So I always think that these are also my family members, and my school is also my good and my best family. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. I'm requesting Vaishali ma'am, please introduce your family.
Okay, Kunda ma'am, thank you. This is my family. My family is small family. Here, Vaishali, and then she is my daughter Gargi Patil, and he is my husband Pramod Patil. He is also work in NMC, and he is also teacher. My daughter is she is doing BTech in 3rd year, and I am also teacher. We are, means my husband and me, we are in same profession. Then next, Kunda. Kundan, next PPT.
Oh,
Right.
okay. Slide change. Hang on.
बंद है कैमरा.
एक मिनिट पुन्हा शेअर करायला लागणार आहे वैशू.
करायचंय का?
Okay.
शेविंग आधी स्टॉप कर.
स्लाइड पुढे जाते. स्टॉप शेअर. रन नाहीये.
होते का सर?
Question, you carry on.
Oh. Okay, okay. Next slide, Kunda, please. Okay. See, this is my in-laws family. Here, my husband's mother, Shobha, and my husband's father, Sayaji here. And then we are, they have 3 brothers. Means I have 3 brother-in-laws, and these are small children. They are my nephews. And in second picture here, you see there are we are 3 sisters. Means with me, we are 3 sisters, and there is one my daughter, and there is my sister. First, I saw you see red in red dress. I am, and then my sister Sonali, and then my daughter Gargi there, and then in red color last in the last she is Rupali. She is also in she is also teacher, and Sonali is in USA. She is doing her MS there, and she is now settled in US. And in over she is my nephew Isha, and there is my mother Bimal Bhamre. Next slide, Kunda, please.
Vaishali.
Yes. Here you see she is my mother Bimal Bhamre, and he is my father Nimba Bhamre, and here he is my brother Amit Bhamre. He is also settled in US, and now he is in Chicago, and he is also doing her computer engineering, and he settled there. And also my next my family is show you next slide, Kunda, please.
Lovely.
And you see this is my main family. This family is my life. We cannot live without this family. We are very happy with them, and these are my students. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Vaishali ma'am. Hope you like our presentation, and you like hello.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. This is our first slide PPT, and we have also our second PPT, which is which will be on sustainable development goals, and that will our preview of our project. But after for presenting that PPT, I am going to request to Rupa ma'am. Will you please present your PPT? After your PPT, we will show our that PPT, if possible.
Okay,
Okay.
Please make me host.
Yeah, yeah.
Now I'm or not, it's really desirable.
Okay, Rupa. Your host now. You can present your PPT.
Okay, thank you.
राणी, दिव्या, सिद्धार्थ,
काय टीचर
तुमचे कॅमेरा ऑन करा बाळांनो.
हो
তুষার স্যার দেখা যাচ্ছে?
দেখা যাচ্ছে, স্লাইডটা শো করে না। স্লাইড শো করেন ম্যাম, রূপা ম্যাম স্লাইডটা শো করেন।
Okay, welcome to all in our tele-collaboration between India and Bangladesh. This is my first session that I share before you. My second session, but this is my first PPT that sharing before my friends of India and Bangladesh. So now I want to introduce myself. This PPT is presented by me, Rupa Mullik Rupu, assistant teacher, Integrate Government Primary School, Khagratchari. And it's a co-training center, and here is the tele-collaboration project from India and Bangladesh, and already Kunda ma'am has showed this, that we are in a family, Mrs. Kunda Bachchok, then Mrs. Boishali Bharmar, Husniya Khatun ma'am, then me, and Abdul Hasan Tushar sir. I want to show that in Bangladesh, where I have lived. I live in Khagratchari. This is a hill district, and today I will discuss about my family, because our today's session is about my family. First, this is my happy family. You can see there is 4 members in my family. Kunda.
Yeah.
This is my family. So I want to explain one by one. You have explained with full picture, but I want to discuss one by one. This is my son, Shajid Abdullah. He is part of my family and he is 6 years old. Then, this is my lovely daughter, Rimatul Jaria Priyunti. She is a student of grade 9 and she is the princess of her father. She is the light of my family. This is me with my dear husband. His name is Advocate Joshimuddin Mujumdar. He is a lawyer, also a journalist, and selected Vice Chairman of Bangladesh Red Crescent Society, Khagratchari. Here you can see my son Shajid Abdullah is with his uncle Shumon Mullik. Shumon is my only one elder brother, and he is a banker. Then here you can see my elder sister Rinku Mullik, who with her husband, my dear sister, is a high school teacher. Here is my love, my respect, and my most favorite person in the world, my father, Mr. Arun Mullik. Sorry, I have no clear picture of my mother in this time, because I am make this slide so soon, so that I can collect it. So you can see a picture of my mother-in-law and my sister-in-law, Shopna and Kajol. Both of them are my sister-in-law, and here is my mother-in-law. Here is another picture of my family. You can see here is the teacher of my school. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are 6 teachers in our school. All of them, we stay here every day. So this is a big family for me. On the other hand, you can see the student of my school. with me. They are my love and my child. I love them very much. So thank you. That's all for today.
Thank you so much,
Thank you, ma'am.
Rupa. Very nice presentation and very happy and good family you belong. Very nice.
Thank you.
Rupa, will you please make me host?
Yes, yes, of course.
Okay.
Okay, Kunda.
Yeah, stop. Please stop your sharing screen. Okay, still I request to Mr. Tushar. Um,
Yes.
though you don't have your PPT, but you can explain about your family in shortly if you want.
Okay, I want, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Kunda ma'am. Uh, my we are I live in a joint family. Here in our family we live um, my father and mother, with my father and mother, my elder brother and his wife, and his only daughter, and my only son and my wife. Okay, my father is a government service holder. He is retired person now. He was FPI, that means Family Planning Inspector, and my mother is an housewife. She works. She take look after our all works of houses. And my only elder brother, he is a teacher of primary school, government primary school of Bangladesh, and uh, my elder brother wife, my I call her Apu. She also works in the primary school, government primary school. She was a head teacher of government primary school of Bangladesh, and I am, I am a teacher also. I am teacher of Ronachandi School and College. And okay, my father name is Mr. Ataur Rahman, and my mother name is Shahnaz Begum, and my elder brother name is Shahjan Shirastuin, and my his wife name is uh, Nargis and Sultana Neha. Okay, my wife name is Sadia Akhtar, and you know my name, everybody. And my only son, he is uh, 2.5 years old. 5 years old. His name is Samit bin Hassan. Mm, and my luckily my father and mother all are uh, all are live with us, and we belong with we belong in a joint family. And my school, I am happy with my students. In our school there are 1000 plus students. I also happy with this big family. That's all, man. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Very nice family. I'm glad to meet with your family online. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Khatun ma'am, can you hear me? I want to tell you, all of you, we have only 1 minute and 31 seconds for our meeting. If we will disconnect, we'll join again on same link. Okay. Okay. Khatun ma'am, will you please tell about your family orally?
Ma'am, I will speak about our family. Actually, I am her son.
Okay, yeah, please.
Actually, we are three in our family, three members, and I am her son, MJ Ridwan Ahmed, and I'm a student of Bagrat Goft High School. And my mom's name is Husna Khatun, as you know, and she is a head assistant head teacher of Karapara Secondary Girls School. And my father is an advocate. His name is Tarafdar Borhanuddin. And my mother's father name is Dr. Ali Ahmed, and he is a doctor, and now he is so sick about because he suddenly a stroke. And my mother's mother name is Helena Ahmed, and they are three sisters and one brother, and one sister had died many years ago, and there are two sisters, and one sister, his name is Ruma Sultana Parvin, and the brother's name is, he's the small brother, name is Dr.
Okay. Divya, Siddharth, will you please on your video, beta? दिव्या, yeah. सिद्धार्थ आवाज येतोय का माझा? ओके. दिव्या, तुझं इंट्रोडक्शन देते, तुझं नाव आणि शाळेचं नाव सांगते. दिव्या, आवाज
काय टीचर?
हा, तुझं नाव आणि शाळेचं नाव सांगते का सगळ्यांना? मराठीत का सांगत नाही?
हा,
तुझं नाव आणि शाळेचं नाव सांग, तुझी माहिती, नाव आणि शाळेचं नाव.
ठीक आहे. टीचर मराठीत सांगू का?
मराठी मध्येच सांग, रुको. सांग पटकन.
नमस्कार, माझे नाव दिव्या माधव पाटोळे. मी आता 8वी अ मध्ये शिकते. आमच्या शाळेचं नाव आहे, माझ्या शाळेचं नाव आहे मनपा शाळा क्रमांक 18 अंधवली नाशिक.
Okay. Her name is Divya Madhav Patole. She is studying in 8th standard, and her school name is Nasik Municipal Corporation. She is my student. And another one, Siddharth. Siddharth. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to sharing my PPT. दिसते वैशू?
हो हो बोलते.
PPT दिसते?
हो दिसते दिसते.
Okay.
Good evening, teacher.
Good evening, beta. Why are you late?
Good evening, teacher. I was going to know to our teacher.
Okay, beta. वैशू, starting ला introduce करते?
हो चालते, करते मी इंट्रोड्यूस.
Okay.
This is our second session. First session, last week we take first session, and now the second session is about our family and our overview the project. What is the project? Means our project is sustainable. Our project is sustainable
Development.
development
Goals.
goals. Okay. Sustainable development goals.
SDGs.
We are taking here means SDG. Here we are going to take 90 minutes session in this project, and sustainable goals are in we see 17 sustainable goals, but 7 are main sustainable goals. And then we are discussing in this project all about these 7 sustainable goals. Means every session we are taking one sustainable goal, and we are discussing about it now. And this is the 45 minutes, and I read it there. 45 minutes we are talking in local language, and 45 minutes we are talking in English. So here the some students are here. They also talk with their local language, and you also talk with your local language. But means we are communicate with our language, and you told means you teach us our language. We teach you Marathi and you teach us Bangladeshi language. They say in this project, and they also say 5 students are mentioned in our session. Now here the 2 or 3 students are in our session. You also means Tushar sir and Rupa ma'am वगैरह. You also take your 2 or 3 students in your presentation. Means our goal is very successful. Our session is very successful. And then we are taking our convenient time in this session. Means if you are not possible on that time, you told us, we can change the time. Okay. And then next PPT, Kunda, please. Next slide.
Okay.
I read it. I read it.
Oh.
Sustainable development goals. The sustainable development goals are global goals are a collection of 17 interlinked goals. Goals designed to be a blueprint to achieve a better and more sustainable future for all. The SDGs were set up in 2015 by the United Nations General Assembly and are intent to be achieved by the year 2030. Means 2030. Since at that time we are our students were very our means our goal is very clear at that time, 2030. And next slide, Kunda.
Okay. I will explain this now.
Yes.
Okay. Now we will learn that who set sustainable development goals and when. We all know about the sustainable developments. There are 17 sustainable development goals. The SDGs were set up in 2015 by the United Nations General Assembly and intended to the achieve by the year 2013. They are included in UN resolution called the 2013 Agenda, or what is the colloquially known as Agenda 2013. The mission statement of this sustainable development goal is a blueprint to achieve a better and more sustainable future for all by 2013. That means we have to prepare and we have to give our efforts for these sustainable development goals, and we have to achieve our these goals till 2030. This is established in 2015, and the founder of this is United Nations, and the location of these goals is global. So globally we have to do work on these development goals, and we have to achieve our goals and develop our country. All countries' development is the main goal of the sustainable development. Tahir, you have to meet yourself, beta. Hang होते गो ये slide. Tahir?
Yes, teacher.
Tahir, तुझा आवाज येतोय, म्यूट कर तू स्वतःला प्लीज. दिव्या तू पण म्यूट ठेव प्लीज स्वतःला. हा बेटा Okay. Now we are going to learn about what is the 21st century's learning. A 21st century's education is about giving students the skills they need to succeed in this new world and helping them to grow the confidence to practice those skills. With so much information readily available to them, 21st century skills focus more on making sense of that information and sharing and using it in a smart ways. It means we have to make our students more smart for using our for our sustainable development goals and in our education. Because of this, we can achieve our goals, and that will be the 21st century's learning. वैशू घेते का तू?
हो घे पुढचं घे.
Excuse me, Rupa, Mr. Tushar, if you want to say something about on this, you can speak.
Okay, ma'am. I know about the SDG. And but what I know, I want to know what is our next PPT. We should discuss about it after showing this PPTX, and we understand it clearly. And thanks you and Vaishali ma'am, for your nice cooperation and share the important things about the SDG. You just carry on, please.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Tushar. Okay, you carry on, Vaishali.
What is the SDGs number 1? What are 21st century skills? The School Enterprise Challenge is an international business program for schools. The Business Startup Award program for schools around the world. Become change makers, get inspired, and build business skills. Join the movement. Means in this project, students are only now we are also in we are also faced on job, but now 21st century students have the business, means they are become a businessman. They have a skill in their work, and they have a skill when who is means who has the skill, he is now success in their work. In this way, every child have a skill in their business and their work in this way. Next PPT, next slide, Kunda.
स्लाइडच हँग होऊन जाऊ राहिले का वैशू, काय माहिती. स्टॉप शेअर करायला लागतं पुन्हा.
Vishal ma'am, can I say something?
Yes.
Actually, I don't understand about join the movement. Can you give me the clear concept about it? Join the movement, please. Yes, ma'am.
Means we are only Vishwasla काय म्हणतात, we are only trust on our job now.
Yes.
But our skill India, in India, they have the skill India, means every program have, every school we are taking only study we are not taking in our school. We are taking curricular activities and other work in our class, and then at that time the every child has developed their all skills in our, and this moment is in our, every school have this moment take this moment, means every school have not depend on only syllabus. They are taking other activities and other other skills in our school. This is the movement. In this way, may I say?
Yes, ma'am. You say that all the students are joined in the co-curriculum activities or various programs that are held in the school in several times. Okay, I received the clear concept. Thank you, ma'am.
In that way, In that way, they have a self development and they have a confidence
Yes.
about all work.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes.
Interaction,
Thank you.
interaction between students and teachers, and from one state, from a country, and like such as that interaction between two countries also. That is the join the
Yes.
movement program, I think so. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. Vaishali, may I or you?
May I?
Okay.
Okay.
What is the mean?
Next slide, Sundar.
Huh.
What is meant by 21st century skills? The term 21st century skills refer to a broad set of knowledge, skills, work habits, and character traits that are valued by educators, school reformers, college professors, employers, and others to be critically important to success in today's world, particularly in collegiate programs and contemporary careers.
Okay.
We are discussing about it now.
Okay. Rupa, you
Okay,
are
ma'am.
here? Rupa?
Yes, I'm here. And I'm
If you
hearing
want,
your
yeah. If you want to say something on 21st century skills or sustainable development goals, you can.
no, I have nothing to say, but I want to learn about it because I'm not reading much about this matter. But
Okay.
I know that about an SDG. In your this is the term of 21st century skill. In SDG, you have discussed about students and teachers, and I think if teachers give students the tools and resources to be global problem, that time student will get to developing the 21st century skills, right?
Yeah. Right.
Okay, ma'am, carry on.
Okay, thank you, dear.
पुढचं घेते का तुम्ही?
Okay. Now we will discuss what are the examples of 21st century skills. Learning skills are there, also known as the 4Cs. And this is very important topic for today's education system, 4Cs. What is the 4Cs of 21st century learning? This includes critical thinking, communication, collaboration, and creativity. We have to develop in our students how to think widely, and we have to give them a scope and that stage for thinking more, and then they will get that power to think critically, and they will
Yes,
increase
ma'am.
their knowledge. Okay. After that, we have to develop their communication skill. After thinking, they want to they will get so many questions, and they want to know about that things. They want the answers which make them satisfied, and for that they want to talk with you as a teacher, with society, or with friends for getting that answer, and that will be develop their communication skill, I think so. And we have to give them that stage for communicate each other, and develop their communication skill, and we have to give them answers which make them satisfied. And for that, collaboration is also necessary, today's session is our biggest example of collaboration. So we have to give them that stage. We have to make a friendship between two schools. We can use this idea, because I also use in my school. I did a project, a hanging library with my nearest school. That can we talk about collaboration project. We have to meet giving chance to meet them other students from other school, teachers from other school, from other country, and they will talk about with them on the subject, and they can get the answers, and that collaboration increase their knowledge also, and develop their what we say, develop their knowledge and develop themselves also, and they can increase their um, confidence level, and they can speak very nicely and present themselves in front of others. And the last C is creativity. after that, after thinking critically, then communicate with each other, with friends, with teachers, and after collaborating with other schools and discussing on this topic, they will develop something new, and they can creative, they will do something new with creativity mind, and that will the biggest achievement of them. They will give big things to our society. I think all students can get, students can develop their skill, and that these students will be the best future for our society. Siddharth, what are you doing, beta? Siddharth, okay. This is the next. Hello.
Kunda ma'am.
Yeah.
Kunda ma'am, if you permit, I want to share a short
Sure,
PPTs about critical thinking and
sure.
critical
This is,
thinking and problem solving.
yes. This is the
That I done
yes.
before 1 year ago.
Yeah, because this is a main topic of our project. 4 C's is the most important importance of this.
You make me host. You make me host, please.
Okay.
Actually, my laptop is hanged. Okay, you make me host, please, ma'am.
Yes, you are now host, Tusha.
Okay, okay, thank you.
I have to stop my sharing first. Okay.
Okay, is it visible, ma'am?
Yeah.
Can you see?
Yes, we can see.
Okay, this is my school, Ranachandi School and College. Can you see? Rupa ma'am, dekha jay?
Clear.
Okay, thank you. It is also the work of British Council, and I work in this project before 1 year ago, or sorry, before 2 year. Okay, when I work with the British Council on ISA. Okay, it's me that you know. Okay, core outcomes is critical thinking and problem solving. Is it visible, ma'am? Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. There are different perspectives. Okay. My project name is the solar system and use of solar energy. This is my project. And by this project I achieve the skills that name critical thinking and problem solvings in with my students. Okay. Aims and objectives of this project. There are okay, you can see some aims and objectives here. I don't read it. I just want to say okay. First, I throw some questions to my students about the solar system and the use of it. Just I show them PPTs in my classroom, and try to give them some ideas about the solar systems and in use that you can see in the PPTX screen. Okay, then student discuss about the project among themselves. The students discuss about the project among themselves, and they try to find out their problems. I just help them their problems, and they find out their problems. Then they face some problems and note some questions, and they note some questions and about their problems on this project. That you can see they note their problems in the hand notebook, and they submit to me. Then they checking information on internet and textbook about the project. They try to checking their information, checking the answer of their questions throwing on internet on the textbook, and I just help them how they can find their answer of the questions easily. You can see the picture in the PPT screen. Okay, then students discuss about the collected information on their group. Okay, they try to find out their question on the about find out their answer on their questions, and they discuss find some answers on their question, and they then they discuss in the group about the collected information. Okay, then the student consider different perspectives. I make a different 4 or 5 groups, and they try to find out their answers. But when I collect their answers, we find the different perspectives. Different perspectives means in one question they write different answer. One group write one answer, and the another group write another answer in one question. Okay, it's informative to the teacher and the students also about the question. Then the student consider different perspectives. They and finally the 5 group team leader of 5 group show the answers. You can see they their answers are defined. They delivered the different they delivered the different answers in one question. Okay, then the students then step on, students make a clean environment. When they find out the answer about their questions, they make it a hand by their hand. You can see students make a clean environment and also make a solar panel. Okay, they try to make a solar panel, mini, that means mini solar panel. They charge the mobile phone and switch on a fan by the solar energy that you can see. They charge the mobile, and they fan switch on a fan by the solar energy that they make in the classroom. I just help them. Okay, then they also fire up a light by the solar energy. Okay, you can see they also fire out a fire up a light also in the classroom by their solar energy. They can identify the planets and constellations clearly. When they study more about the solar panel, they easily find who is about the find out the planets and constellations, and they achieve the clear concepts on planets and constellations. Okay, the students can achieve clear concept about the solar energy and its best uses. Okay, I think by this way the students himself find their problems, find their answers, and show the teachers about their outcomes. That's all, ma'am. Output of this project. I take a huge time. I don't want to read out this PPTX. Thanks for asking, ma'am.
Sir,
Ma'am, দেখা যায়
Rupa
PPTX
ma'am.
কাটি দেবো?
Rupa ma'am.
Yes, Kunda ma'am, I think sir want to discuss before us about the learning skill. Every student have critical thinking, and if they have creativity, by this they can make themselves so more and more effective in this language or in learning. We can learn by the project of Tushar sir.
Sure. Very nice presentation, sir. Because 4 C's are very important in our today's education system, and we have to teach with the reference of these 4 C's to our students. Then we will get what you want for a better future of students also, and for a better development for our country also. So we can't ignore the 4 C's, and because of Tushar, so we can get more knowledge about this creativity and collaboration of these 4 C's. Thank you so much, sir. It is an instant PPT presentation, but it is more beautiful, and we can increase our knowledge of because of your PPT. Thank you so much, sir. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Will you please make me host, sir?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, done, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
We have only 9 minutes remaining.
Yeah. We have to finish it in. Okay. And let me inform you again. We will take our third session tomorrow at 4 o'clock because we are already late than others to fellow teachers. So we have to conduct our third session tomorrow. Is it okay for you?
Okay, ma'am. I have a question to you, Kunda ma'am. I have
Yeah.
a question to you.
Yeah.
Actually, I don't know very much about this project. You just ensure me how we can contribute this question and what is our next topics.
Yeah, I will. I already shared the topics table in our group, but I will share it today also. Okay. For every
And
session. Yeah.
You please share the videos for today's conversation in your WhatsApp group, ma'am.
Yeah.
Please.
Sure. I will share the photos and videos also. ताहेर तू काही करू नको नाही तर मी तुला रिमूव्ह करणार मीटिंग मधनं हा.
टीचर मैं काय नाही करते.
ओके बेटा इंट्रोड्यूस युअर सेल्फ. ताहेर तुझं नाव सांग सगळ्यांना.
My name is Tahir Hussain.
Yeah, Tahir. And
Tahir.
Tahir Ali.
हाँ ताहेर अली. सिद्धार्थ करतोय. ओके. मी ना सिद्धार्थला आधी लेफ्ट रिमूव्ह करते. सिद्धार्थ काय करतोय त्याला रिमूव्ह करते. हा सिद्धार्थ.
मैं आपकी भाषा समझती हूँ.
समझती हूँ. Okay. I am sharing my PPT again, huh?
Okay. Rupa ma'am, do you understand Marathi or Tushar sir?
No, ma'am. We understand Hindi.
I can realize your language not clearly. Okay. Maybe Marathi and your natural language has some differences.
Yes.
But Rupa, you have to speak in Bengali. We want to learn, listen in your voice Bengali.
Okay.
You can talk in Bengali with us. We can understand, but can't talk only. But we can understand Bengali. Okay.
I know you can understand Bengali because this is a part of your country, Kolkata, Paschim Bongo, Odisha. This is a part of your country, so that you have to understand Bengali.
Yes. So, वैशू PPT रनच होत नाही ग पुढे. काय माहिती काय झालंय.
नाही होते का ग?
हो ना ग.
बरं
कहाँ जा रहा है your PPT? तुम्हारा PPT.
हाँ समझ में आ गया मराठी.
Is it correct? Is it correct?
Yes, it's correct. हम आपको मराठी सिखा देंगे और आप हमें बंगाली सिखाएंगे. Okay. It's a deal.
Yes. Marathi is so difficult to us.
Yes.
What's the next topic, Kunda?
Yeah. Because we have less time, so we are going fast. Okay.
Yes.
Remaining.
Kunda, how many time remaining, Kunda?
Only 6 minutes.
Oh.
आपण आहे ना एकदम फास्ट मध्ये फक्त एक टॉपिक सांगते. हा कम्युनिकेशनचा. ओके. हा मी एक टॉपिक सांगते. पुढचा कोलॅबोरेशनचा टू सांग. ओके. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू एम आय ऑडिबल?
Yes.
Yeah.
Carry on, please.
Hello. Now we are going to what is the 12 ways to help students develop 21st century skills with the Makers Empire. And then first is a communication, sharing. What is a communication? Sharing thoughts, ideas, questions, and solutions in powerful way. As we'll talk about this, ask students to show their understanding of concept or idea using makers, empires, 3D design software. How can they communicate the concept of a quarter or trust or a bias or animals adoptions? Like this, we can say to our students to communicate each other and sharing their thoughts. Second is collaboration, achieving shared goals with others. That is the collaboration, thinking together and harnessing the ideas, skills, and expertise of group. Like we are discussing with each other in India and Bangladesh. This is an example of collaboration. The next is critical thinking. Vaishu, you carry on.
Yes, critical thinking means looking at problems in new ways, making smart decisions, and making connections to other subjects and ideas. Every children have their ideas, and every children is going out of box, and they think on the topic, and at that time it's called critical thinking. Present students with real world scenarios and ask them to identify possible issues and problems by positioning students as problem seekers and problem finders. We are encouraging them to think critically when they are identifying needs and opportunities. Means when they have one problem and they think on that problem, think about this problem. Next topic is creativity, generating and testing new ideas, being innovative, inventive, and enterprising. Means here is also here the students were going out of box and they are thinking very well. Provide open-ended design challenges to encourage creativity. Means here we are going to activity-based learning. Means now Tushar sir are taking science project. This is a very nice activity, and they take activity on this topic, creativity. Example, design a better way to spaghetti and create your dream house. Means there is a creativity in the students. And add encourage students to come up with as many ideas and they can, before selecting an idea for a design solution, can they come up with 100 ideas in 10 minutes? What is the craziest idea they can think of? What if they had all money in the world? In this way, we are discussing about 4 CS skills of 21st century. Thanks to all. In the last, we are very going speedily.
Kunda ma'am, to yourself, please.
Okay, because we have less time, so we did it fastly. Okay.
You have made a nice presentation, ma'am.
Thank you. There are 2 PPTs, one made by me and one made by my colleague Vaishali. And your presentation is also very nice, Rupa, Tushar sir. Today's our session was very beautiful, and we got so much knowledge from each other, and we can share our ideas. Tushar sir's project is very nice, and we will adopt your project in our school and in our for our students also. Thank you so much. Tomorrow we will meet at 4 o'clock. The topic for tomorrow is, I will share it, but till I am going to tell you, we have less time. You can make a PPT
about next topic is about my favorite time and about no poverty.
Yes. This is, I think, 4 number sustainable goal, no poverty. And you both share and divide the topics in between you and make a PPT on it. Rupa ma'am, Tushar sir, and Khatun ma'am. And we will.
You please share it, ma'am. You share it in the WhatsApp group, please.
Yes.
WhatsApp group.
Yes, sure. Yes. Thank you so much for your valuable time and valuable guidance. Rupa, there is a very few time.
অনেক অনেক ধন্যবাদ।
Okay, now you, Rupa.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. And Rupa, please conclude this session. Rupa.
Okay, thank you very much, my family members, Kunda and